Looking at the euro US dollar on the 1 minute time frame. You can see here on the right hand side we've been right up to 1.12 dollars for the euro, and it's been coming down since then. And down here we have the weekly open, so I've put that as a target here. And prices, yeah, not been that clean. It overshot here, came down to hit the other edge of the band here, or maybe it was the green moving average here. The next time it bounced off this edge. Now, yeah, it's stalling again. So actually I was hoping it was going to come up here, around the edge here, and then I was going to take the run down to the weekly open here, but it's not going to do it. It's not running up here. It's kind of come to a halt here. So this is over here. Let's see, what's the equivalent? There was, yeah, we're around here. This consolidation area over here. There's some liquidity here. So yeah, it might be bouncing about a bit. That might explain it. Yeah. So if it's not gonna come up here, I'm not gonna take this trade, because the only way to do that, I mean, to be sure of what's going on, is I have to wait for this low to be taken out here to be sure it's not gonna go upwards. But from here, yeah, plus the spread, I don't know, there's not really that much room left. And yeah. So okay, it's going up. I really wanted to see something more like this. So let's see what it does. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna go in until it starts coming back down again. Okay, so now let's have a look. We can go over to this line here. It's quite nice, I found, on the RSI to draw trend lines. And you can see there was a very nice downward trend here on the RSI. On the peaks, you could draw a nice line. So each of these is corresponding to a high here on my price chart. And if you have a trend line on the top here on the peaks, you can see very early when it's reversing. Of course, it doesn't mean it's going to continue reversing, but at least you can see at what point. So here that was probably pretty much the low here, and I could do the same. It's probably going to be too short actually. I cannot really draw a nice trend line here. There's not enough curves on here to do. So normally I would draw the trend line at the bottom here on the peaks peaking down, and then I have a trend line below, and then I could tell when it's changing direction. But yeah, there's not much to go by here. I just realized I haven't got my thing set up here, so 5. Yeah, that's all right. Let's see what happens. I'm going to just focus on this. As I said, the RSI is not going to help me very much. Let's zoom in here a little bit. The volume's been going down, 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 down. Also not so nice. It's Friday afternoon, so yeah, a little early. Okay, what's happening here? So one thing to look at is these spikes here in the Heiken Ashi candles. Here, each one is higher than the other one, but one sign that it's losing momentum is if these spikes don't overtake each other. In other words, if the next one here stays below this one, or even if it becomes a doji, could be going down. So we got 13 seconds to close the candle. 10. Okay, going down. That looks quite nice actually. I'm gonna go for this. Again, maybe it was too early. Oh, what? 5 pips? That's okay. Yeah, it's pretty small, these movements today. At this time, my stop loss is quite far away. I'm gonna move it here. Risk less money. And let's put the take profit down here. Because the first thing we wanted to do was go beyond here. It's got another 5 seconds. Don't think it's gonna make it. Now let's see what happens. And last time I learned I have to click this early. I got still quite a lot of space here. Let's wait a little bit. Yes, it's going. Actually, I got my entry was here, wasn't it? Yep. We'll go here. So now we can't lose. Let's close this. I'm just going to tick further up because I got my spread as well. Nice to go reverse now. It's taking a bit long. Going to just gonna hover over here. Oh, I can see the updates. Yes, it's still updated. It's going down. This is a bit of a pain, as I said last time, with the yeah, and you can't move this. So I hope you guys can still see what's going on. Also, for some reason, it's opened the trading panel again. I can just see the red block there moving up and down, and this horizontal line is going. No. Oh, come on, guys. That was the minute over. Let's see what happens now. Is it going to keep pushing down? Yes. That's good. If it keeps going down. Oh. You know what? I'm going to move my stop loss. I don't like this. Just here. Put it right above there. Can we move this over so I can see what's going on? Yes, that's better. Oh, we're almost there now. Look at that. Very, very close. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. You get another minute. Here we go. Here we go. Down it goes. Oh. What's it doing? Pushing, pushing, pushing. Okay, I'm gonna close. It was pretty much there. I'm just gonna leave the recording going for a bit, just in case you're interested to see what happens now. So it might, and what I'm wondering is, because it might go right down here. We have been here. This is the week open, but we have been lower today. Yeah, it is actually going down further, but that's okay. I always think it's better to not take the maximum possible. You can never do that anyway, and just take a reasonable profit when it's there, rather than risking it'll reverse and doesn't go down, as far as you thought it might, because those reversals can happen very quickly, and by the time you close the position, you've lost a significant amount of money. Anyway, I'm quite happy with that today. See you next time, guys, and remember, this is just for education. Please test whatever strategy you use on a demo account. Do back testing if you can, and scalpers, 90% of them lose money, so you could lose all of the money on your account depending on your risk management. So I really do not recommend this unless you really know what you're doing. Get some professional advice possibly. I'm not a professional trader. I'm just someone who's learning. I'm using a demo account here. So yeah, feel free to join me on my journey, and see you next time.